Breaking news in the world of cryptocurrency. Fidelity's FBTC spot Bitcoin exchange traded fund has shattered expectations, crossing a staggering 150,000 Bitcoin in assets under management within just 3 months of its launch. This milestone underscores the soaring investor enthusiasm for Bitcoin ETFs and the rapid integration of digital assets into a conventional finance. Stay tuned for more updates on this groundbreaking development. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and let's start. So let's start. Bitcoin longs liquidated at the sub $69,000 level. Time to head back up, fam. LFG. Long liquidity time to go back up, but we are probably going to consolidate this position of 69,000 and then decide to go up. Keep your eyes peeled. Bitcoin's own Mr. 100 has been quiet for 5 days, but something's telling me there's a buy brewing pretty soon and we are looking for it. Since exactly 3 years ago from today, Bitcoin has only risen by measly 6.3%, still lower than nearly every major stock index and asset class worldwide. 92.7% of the rise we've seen in the last 12 months has been attributed to record-breaking Tether money market manipulation and ETF hype, which are now continuing to slow down as fear reality slips its way back into the market. In investing, it's important to get in and out and to play the game rather than letting it to play you. While things are slightly green to date, we need to focus on sustainability, which clearly lacks considering zero use case, ancient technology, high price manipulation, and a clear case of greater fools theory. Next up, we go for Bitcoin looks like this, and people in my comments will still look for any reason to be bearish on the market. Some people can't be saved, and we already see this and understand, while some people still play dumb. The last 2 times Bitcoin went above 70,000, funding skyrocketed and the market dipped. Right now, price is back above 70,000, but funding remains low, much healthier and a greater starting point for more upside. Send it, we are ready. Also, Bitcoin bullish W structure on the 3D chart. The healthy pullback to the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement level I told you about occurred. Now Bitcoin is forming a bullish W structure. A double top structure flipping into a W structure is extremely bullish. Be ready for it. Send it. If Queen Elizabeth II had held the family's wealth in a pound during her reign from 1952 to 2022, they would have lost 97.46% of their wealth. Saylor isn't joking when he says people who use fiat currency as a store of value are poor, and this is the reality. Bitcoin history is exactly repeating itself, as we are looking into the same possible move once again that we already had before. There are very few potential sellers left, as the majority are chilling in profit. Price has to go much higher to tempt the Bitcoin psychopaths to sell. Tick tock. Or just as we know, it might just crazily go down and we might see the sellers just appear out of nowhere. Right now we don't see them, but soon they're probably going to be there. Just that the market should go down and whales should crash the price and all the sellers will appear out of nowhere, but hopefully they will not, and we just see another bullish candle. Bitcoin really doesn't want to let go of that $69,000 level, which was the 2021 all-time high. It keeps coming back to say hi. This is what actually the consolidation means. Bitcoin is up 700% since Warren Buffett called it rat poison squared. And here we could see it was on May 5th, 2018, almost, as we could see, 6 years. Yeah, just 1 more month and we are at the 6th year since he said it, and it's 700% up. Bitcoin has formed a symmetrical triangle pattern on its 1-day chart. We are holding short from 72,800 and expecting 10 to 20% dump from the entry. Fidelity's FBTC spot Bitcoin ETF shines with a remarkable growth. as in a resounding testament to the growing mainstream acceptance of cryptocurrencies. Fidelity's FBTC spot Bitcoin exchange traded fund has achieved a remarkable milestone, surpassing 150,000 Bitcoin, $10 billion in assets under management within 3 months since its inception. As per reports, this achievement underscores the surging investor interest in Bitcoin ETFs and accelerating adoption of digital assets within traditional finance. Interestingly, the 9 spot Bitcoin ETFs, excluding Grayscale's converted GBTC fund, now have over 520,000 Bitcoin. Fidelity's spot Bitcoin ETF tops second. This success underscores the substantial capital inflows into the crypto market through regulated investment vehicles. Likewise, the influx of institutional and retail bolsters Bitcoin's market capitalization and signifies a broader shift in investor sentiment towards embracing digital assets as part of the diversified investment strategy. And according to CoinGlass data, BlackRock's IB leads within 263,937 Bitcoin, which is $18.5 billion, while ARK Invest 21 shares is the third with the 43,726 Bitcoin, which is $3.1 billion. However, the story is not the same for Grayscale, as it was conspicuously absent from the list, indicating a potential setback for the firm. Investors are drawn to the benefits digital assets brings. Fidelity's success in garnering significant AUM for its FBTC spot Bitcoin ETF reflects its reputation as a trusted financial institution and its commitment to providing innovative investment solutions. By offering a regulated and transparent vehicle for Bitcoin investment, Fidelity is paving the way for broader adoption and integration of the digital assets into mainstream portfolios. Furthermore, the increasing popularity of spot Bitcoin ETFs is a sign of the growing interest among the institutional investors in the potential of cryptocurrencies. What was once considered a niche and unstable use asset is now becoming a legitimate investment class. Spot Bitcoin ETFs surpassed expectations. The United States has approved 11 asset firms, including BlackRock, Grayscale, Fidelity Investment, and Bitwise, to launch spot Bitcoin ETFs. Since then, spot Bitcoin ETFs have exceeded expectations, as recall that spot Bitcoin ETF trading volume has surpassed 4.5 billion on its first day, soaring past 174 billion in just the first hour. And this development resulted in Bitcoin's rally, which galloped past 48,000 shortly after the market opened. And meanwhile, as the next halving creeps closer, Bitcoin is positioned as one of the best investments. Grayscale transfers 6,200 Bitcoin worth $434 million to Coinbase. Grayscale transferred this amount, and Bitcoin is now trading at around the 70,000, like just pulled back to 69,000, but that's probably because of some sales that happened on there. So while Bitcoin enthusiasts are commenting on X that this amount that the Grayscale has just transferred is not much compared to the Bitcoin ETF's inflows, it's still a significant move coming from the firm. As the news said, Grayscale investment move 6,200 Bitcoin to Coinbase Prime has sparked some conversation in the crypto world, as Grayscale has not offered official information about the latest move that they made. However, some analysts speculate that Grayscale might be preparing to sell Bitcoin, potentially impacting the market price. And without more information, it's difficult to confirm this. So that's kind of all the information we have for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you in the next one, and peace.